Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reprogram your Toyota Highlander key fob. First, gather all key fobs you wish to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Close all doors securely and remove any other electronic devices from the car's interior. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming sequence for your key fob. To enter programming mode, begin by inserting and removing the key from the ignition 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. Now, insert the key back into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position and then off 2 times. Finally, remove the key from the ignition. The vehicle should now be ready for programming. With the vehicle in programming mode, take your new key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 1 second. Release both buttons, then immediately press the lock button by itself. The vehicle's doors should cycle, locking and then unlocking to confirm that the key fob has been successfully programmed. Repeat this step for any additional fobs. To exit the programming mode, simply close the driver's door. Now, it's crucial to test all of your programmed key fobs. Walk around the vehicle and try each button, lock, unlock, and the panic button. Ensure that every function works as expected. If any fob isn't working, you may need to repeat the programming steps for that specific device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.